Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Gemini with the air elements. So bibigyan ko po kayo ng reading para sa buong buwan ng Marso. Yan ha. So tingnan po natin, maglalabas po ako ng cards. Yan na 10 cards. So let's see your present energy. Isa lang po like, subscribe, and share para po mag-grow ang channel ng Lola Baby. That's your present energy. Okay? Narito ang tinatawag na the tree of swords. Okay? Yan. So, tatandaan po nga ang mga Gemini is Monday. Tuloy lang tong Monday. Okay? So, let's see your second energy. Ito yung tinatawag na challenge. Okay? Yan. It's about challenge. Your challenge. Yan. Kung may problema man. So, this is your past. Okay? Yan. Yan ha? Okay. That's your past. Your future. Okay? Yan. So, yan, okay? So, it's about your future. Yan ha, sandali ayusin ko para mag-catch sa screen. Yan ha, okay? This is your future. Yan. So that it's you, okay? Yan. How you change your future, your destiny. As above, so below. And this is about the challenge, okay? Yan. Tinatawag na, ano ito? The 8, okay? The 8 of swords. Yan ha? How the outside influence you, the outside public or other people, how it paano ito nakaka-apekto sa inyo, okay? So let's see, ilalabas ko, it's about your fears and hope, okay? And the outcome. So, ibig sabihin narito ang tinatawag na the Ten of Cups, okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na the outcome. It's more about your happiness, di ba? So, let's see. Yan, ha? So, ang nakikita ko dito, yung tinatawag your present. Yan, ha? Okay. You. Ano itong tinatawag, it's like there is a betrayal, di ba? Yan. So, naririto ang tinatawag, it's like backstabbing. Okay? Sino ito nagbabackstab sa inyo? Di ba? Okay. So, Page of Pentacles. Ito, it's like madidiscover mo, malalaman mo, okay? Soon to discover sino itong nagbabackstabbing sa iyo, okay? It's like chinichismis ka, ginagawa ka ng iskandalo, ginagawa ka ng tinatawag na kahihiyan, di ba? So, let's see. Paano mo ito mareresolve, di ba? Aawayan mo ba? Okay? It's about the challenge, di ba? Aawayan mo ba siya? Okay? O unawain mo na lang. Magkikibit-balikat ka na lang, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito, hindi ka bababa sa kanyang level. Okay? So, let's see your past to present. Di ba? So, nakikita dito, your past. Okay? It's, maaring in the past, marami kayong achievements, marami kayong mga nagawa sa buhay nyo. Di ba? Marami kayong success. Yan, maari sa family mo, sa mga loved ones mo. Nakikita dito, marami kayong mga na-achieve from the past. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag your present. Okay? Your present situation, di ba? Your present mood. Masaya naman kayo, di ba? It's like dito nakikita na meron naman kayong success sa buhay nyo. Yan ha. Siguro kaya dito nakikita no, maraming mga tinatawag na it's like they are talking at your back. Pinag-uusapan kayo, 'di ba? It's like kung ano man ang sinasabi nila about you. Pero it does not affect you. Okay? Yan. So, naririto ang tinatawag na your future. Okay? Yan. It's like you're on a crossroad. Diba? Yan. Ito nakikita ko few weeks. Okay? Or in few weeks time. Because ito yung tinatawag na the swords. Yan ha. Makakaroon dito ng kalinawan, 'di ba? It's like a sign, the outcome, okay? Your next move, your next step. Yan, kasi nasa crossroad kayo, 'di ba? So in few weeks time, magkakaroon to ng result. Yan na. So ito yung tinatawag as above so below. Punta tayo dito, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag you're the magician, di ba? Yan. You create your own happiness, you create your own destiny, you create your own life, di ba? Yan. So, nakikita dito, okay? Yung tinatawag na the seven of swords, okay? So, ano ibig sabihin ng the seven of swords? It's about your relationship to others, di ba? So, ito yung tinatawag na it's more on pag there is a big transformation is going to happen, di ba? About your relationship sa family man ito, sa marriage man ito, sa mga siblings, okay? Yan. Sa surroundings nyo, di ba? Yan. Mayroong malaking pagbabago. It's like a surprise, di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag out with the old, in with the new. Yan ha? So, ang nakikita ko dito, maaring for some of you, it's about maaring i-bulldozer ang bahay nyo, magpapatayo ka ng bagong bahay, di ba? Or tinatawag na it's about your appearance, di ba? Maybe from before is maaring hindi ka nakilala because you're different from the past, from before, di ba? Yun ang nakikita ko sa inyo. Okay? Yan, kumbaga dito yung it's more about may mga bagay-bagay sa buhay nyo, okay, na ito is magkakaroon ng malaking transformation, okay? Yan. Okay? There is a transformation is going to happen. Yan ha? So tingnan natin itong tinatawag na advice. Okay? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, wag kayong wag kayong magpa-apekto sa mga nababasa nyo, di ba? Let's say sabihin natin comments or a review. Kasi it's like most of the time, palagi kayong nasa social media, di ba? Yan. Maybe binabasa nyo yung tinatawag na mga pinag-uusapan, di ba? Yan. Maaring criticism, di ba? Maaring tinatawag hindi maganda mga nababasa mo, di ba? So, huwag kayong magpa-apekto. Yan ha. Okay? Yun ang nakikita ko. Kasi it will drain your energy. Diba? Kung sino man itong mga taong ito. Yan, no? Because you will discover it. So, it's more on tinatawag what they are doing. Okay? What they are saying at your back. Okay? So, ano ang approach? It's like tinatawag, dadmahin mo na lang. Okay? Yan. Dadmahin mo. Huwag mo silang awayan. Okay? Show them that you are not. Hindi ka bababa sa level nila. Okay? So, let's see. Ang tinatawag na external influence. Paano ito nakaka-apekto sa inyong buhay? Diba? Oh. It's whatever is this, di ba? Panatilihin ninyong balance ang inyong yin and yang, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na, huwag mo na lang, kung ano man ito, di ba? From outside, di ba? Influences, makaka-apekto sa iyo. As much as possible, protect your energy, di ba? Yan. Show them na you're not affected, di ba? It's like, hindi ka natitinag, hindi ka nila pwedeng gibain, buagin, okay? So, let's see your fears and hopes, okay? So, yan ha. And the outcome, okay? So, this is your fears and hope, yan ha. Ibig sabihin nito, if you are praying to God, huwag kang matakot. It will be answered. Kaya dito, the outcome. Okay? The answers to your prayers is tinatawag parang singbilis ng kidlat. Diba? Ang sagot na darating sa inyo. Thank you very much.